Okay. It's our first ever real YouTube video right here. Hey everybody, my name is Emily and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to give you guys a little houseplant tour, so let's get started. All right, so this houseplant tour is gonna be like a vlog just because I tried to film it like very professional with my tripod and it was just not working out. So we're gonna do this vlog style, which honestly I prefer anyways. So yeah. So this is the entryway. When you walk into the house, you're welcome to buy our first plant, which is this DRACAENA. He's not doing that well because I neglected him when we moved here probably like 6 months ago, but he's getting better, just gotta be patient. And then, so this is right here, the entryway. And when you go to the left, we have our large mirror with a snake plant right here. Right, so a cool view of the whole room. Then on the opposite side, I like to call it our family room, but I also makeshifted it into a little sunroom where you can lounge on the huge love sack. As you can see, Max likes to sunbathe a lot. So first we have this pothos here, and I have it hung up on a macrame hanger. Then we have a rubber plant, which is just on a terracotta pot by Home Depot. And then we have this cactus that is in a basket, I believe I got from Amazon. Then we have this huge fiddle leaf fig that I got from Costco. They were actually selling them for like $25, which is amazing. So I had to get one. Love him. Sorry, that's Max. And then this basket I got from Goodwill. So love the look. Then over here we have another pothos on a macrame hanger, of course. We have a string of hearts, but he's not in a pot right now. I usually have him hanging, but I loved how it looked right here on the fireplace. Then right here we have a Hoya in a pot that I got from Goodwill. And then over here we have a Calathea on another just Home Depot terracotta pot. Then another pothos on another macrame hanger. Some baskets. As you can tell, I love my baskets. Always find them at the Goodwill. And then right here we have a peperomia. Don't know the exact name for this one. It's just a type of peperomia, as well as this one. That pot, the white one, I got, I believe, from Marshall's. And then all the terracotta ones I've gotten from Home Depot. And then right here we have an alocasia poly, also known as African mask plant. He's not doing so well here. I think I have to check on the soil. There must be something wrong because he like lost another plant before this. These guys I use distilled water just because the tips brown a lot, and for a while when I was getting too lazy to get distilled water, he started browning. Yeah, and these guys lose leaves in order to make room for new ones, so I did notice that it is going to start growing another leaf, so I think that's why my other leaf fell. So hopefully that's the only reason why this guy's getting bad, but I think there must be something wrong with the soil, so I have to check on this guy. And then I got this basket from, of course, Goodwill. Okay, so after the family room, we move on to the living room. And then right here, I used to have another plant, but I moved it. Okay, move on to the living room. So you're first welcome to buy our MONSTERA DELICIOSA in a plant basket that I got from Amazon. Then we have a Brazil philodendron. Got this guy from a nursery in San Diego. And we got that black pot there too. All right, TV stand. Then we have another rubber plant, just a different type. I believe this one's Tequite, something like that. I thought it was the pink ruby one, but it's not. I think the ruby ones are a lot more pink. Or it might be, but I think that this is the Tequite type. I believe that's the name. Oh, and then that pot I got from Marshall's, I believe. Oh no, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is where I got that one. And then over here we have my beautiful Maranta. I love her. Got her from a plant shop in San Diego, and she's just on a little plant stand that I got from Amazon. Then we have a palm here on a basket I probably got from like Marshall's. Okay, then if we move over here to the coffee table, we have this guy. So we have a satin pothos here on a cute little Urban Outfitters plant pot that I actually got from Goodwill, so didn't pay those crazy Urban Outfitters prices. Then I got this little Calathea. I can't remember the exact name, but I just know it's also a Calathea. And the pot I got from my mom. Then over here I have another Alocasia poly, and of course another Goodwill basket. Then we have another fiddle leaf fig here. This guy, this guy was actually my first ever like real plant that I ever purchased. And when I mean real plant, it's just because all the other plants I had were always just like cactus and succulents and stuff like that. So this guy was my first real like fussy plant, and I almost killed him when I was living in San Diego, but I saved him. I just realized that I was overwatering him, and now he's looking nice. So he stays there by the couch. All right, then after the living room, we have our little dining nook. We have a little fern hanging, then a cactus. And then we have a little umbrella plant. And all these terracotta pots that you see, I got from Home Depot or Lowe's. Spider plant, also need to use distilled water for this guy. He has a lot of brown tips, it's really bad. But it's just because I was lazy for a while and I wasn't buying distilled water. But another rubber plant here, some cactus, stuff like that. Yep, that's basically it in our little dining nook. Then over here, okay, so this is the way to the kitchen. So here we have a little Arabica coffee plant. Sina and I love coffee, so I thought, why not have a cute little coffee plant? All right, so I have an avocado plant propagating and two pothos plants here propagating. I just like the look of them. They look so cute. These are new, so once they're good to go, I'm gonna make a whole new plant out of them. Then I have this plant. It is also a Hoya. I believe it's called a black lipstick plant. And then he's just on one of these type of shelves. And he loves this spot. You can see all that growth up there. That's all new growth. And I got that guy from a plant shop in Santa Cruz. Then from the kitchen, you come through here. This is our laundry room. And then we have a half bath right here. It's a nice little Spanish style bathroom. Have a mini snake plant, have a dumb cane. And then there's some baskets up there. Just have this here, some little succulents. And And that's basically it. We don't really use this bathroom, but I like the Spanish style. It's really cute. My idea is to have some more pothos in here and basically just like cover the entire bathroom with vines so it could look super cool. So this is the hallway. We're gonna skip this room because it's pretty messy. It's like a mix between our guest bedroom and home office, which needs organizing. And you'll see this mural, sorry. We have, I did not paint it. It came with the house and we were told not to paint over it, which is perfectly fine because it's cool. All right, here's another view. So we came in from this hallway. So there we go. Here's the bathroom. So we can start off with, of course, another pothos on a macrame hanger. We have cactus. We have another pothos plant. This one is Pearl of Jade, I believe it's called. Okay, dirty mirror. Then we have another pothos propagating up there. And then another snake plant. And this tub is where I bring all of our houseplants in to give them baths, pretty much. All right. And over here is our master bedroom. So just make your way through here. And all of the plants are basically on my side of the room. So we'll start off with this huge pothos plant. This is also one of the first plants I ever got. So he's over a year old. He's got so long. He's been trimmed He's been trimmed plenty of times. Love him. And then over here we have another MONSTERA, but it's a little baby one. Then over here is another plant that I thought was a satin pothos, but it's not. Clearly it's a little bit different. But I can't remember the exact name of it. I know some people on Instagram shared the name with me, but I can't remember. So if you guys know, then please leave it down in the comments. And then here I have a Stapelia, and I'm excited for it to bloom because it blooms a really nice flower that literally looks like a starfish. And then another pothos plant there. And then on Cena's side, he just has a little baby neon pothos that was propagated. All right, that's basically it. Then we'll go back around to the family room. And yeah, that's basically it. All right, well, there you have it. That was my houseplant tour, and honestly, after filming that, I realized I need so many more plants. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and possibly share this video. Again, this is one of my very first YouTube videos, so it would really be helpful if you guys go ahead and do that for me. Thank you again, and please let me know if you have any questions about a specific plant. Just leave the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Also, if you have any other questions, just let me know. But thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys at the next video.